Hello and welcome to another video. Today I'll show you how you can get a physical document, such as an invoice, into an ERP system without any manual data entry. I will show you two ways you can do this. First, take a photo of your invoice and upload it to your computer. Then go to extract.ai and create a new template for invoices, if you don't have one yet. Then customize the template to your liking. I will split it into step 1, general information, and step 2, line item details. The first method is to simply upload your document to the app from your computer. Now you can download it in any of these formats here. The second option is to forward the email with the attached photo to this unique email address that is connected to the template. This way we will get our extraction sent directly to our email. Check the description for an exclusive promo code. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.